I'm installing the Ontario plate today. This is my Luxe Shield personalized plate. You see it's straight, hasn't been cut or anything. So all you do, take that, put it inside, make sure that the drain is at the bottom. You're gonna put some pressure. It is gonna be a little tight in the corners with the Ontario plate, but that won't affect anything. Take a screw, line it up. There you go. Totally protected. Every side is covered. No part of the plate is exposed. If you do this properly, you should have no problem fitting your license plate in with the Ontario plate.